Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about affiliate marketing, how to make $50 a day or more with affiliate marketing. As you can see, I've had a couple slow days here, a little bit slow start to the month, 11 days into the month, but almost getting to the $1,000 mark and almost hit $3,000 the last month on Warrior Plus. Now I'm doing the same on JVZoo. There's different platforms that you can use. There's a few. Let me see here real quick. Just open up a notepad. So you can actually use Warrior Plus. You can use JVZoo, Digistore 24, and ClickBank, just to name a few, right? So you have these options here. And what you're going to do is you're actually going to come over here to a place called MunchEye. So just type in muncheye.com. So what we're going to do is just come through here and see what offers there are. You have big launches on the left. There's going to be a lot of competition for that stuff. I'm going to show you an example of how you can actually rank at the top for a big launch right here. And then all launches here. So when you're first just getting started, you might not want to go for a big launch, but you might want to go with one of the other ones that's just in gray. Now, I recommend focusing on Warrior Plus or JVZoo. As you can see, if we scroll down here, there is going to be some other ones sometimes. Right here, like Pay Kickstart, you can see they're launching on Pay Kickstart. You can list a platform here, different platforms, and here's one on ClickBank. So there's not a whole lot of people listing their products from ClickBank, and here's one right here, pay.com. So there are different platforms, but as you can see, an overwhelming majority is Warrior Plus and JVZoo. I'd say Warrior Plus even more so than JVZoo. So those are the two big heavy hitters here. And what you want to do is just come through here, depending on what audience you have. If you have a PLR type audience, then you can easily come through here and I'll just look at PLR right here and just click on it. And it's going to take you through and it's going to show you what it looks like. I like to look and see how much effort they put into their graphics. I'm probably going to tell you about the effort that they put into the product itself as well. You can see that they do have a sales page and looks pretty good. You can go check out the sales page by clicking on that button. You can also come over here and sign up to be an affiliate. So if I clicked on here, it's actually going to take me over to their JV page. We're going to actually look and see that this is coming out Wednesday, August 11th. So it's actually came out today and at 9 a.m. Eastern time. So the launch is live. You can check out all the goodies and if there's any sponsored ads or promotional emails, this is great. There's email solo ads, so you can grab those. And not really sure I'm seeing a contest. Sometimes it's cool to have a contest where you can earn even extra money for being a top affiliate for the product, but it doesn't, it's not necessarily make all, for your decision on promoting the product. You can still promote it even if there's not an affiliate contest. And it doesn't look like there's a contest. A lot of times that will actually be listed down here. You can see that they've had 10 sales, a decent, solid conversion rate at 10%. They just don't have a whole lot of traffic going to their offer. And you can come through here and check out the vendor and see what their other launches have come through with. So they generally have a pretty low amount of sales recently. 50 plus mark is their highest mark. So a decent vendor, but you can certainly continue to keep shopping. So we'll come back here and go back. Now let me show you an option real quick that you can, what you're going to do is you're going to pick a product. Okay. So let's just say that I'm going to pick this one right here, and you can see it's a big launch, Joe Russell. It's also going to show up down here. It's going to actually turn blue right here. So we're going to go ahead and just click that. We can go check it out. It's an affiliate software, all-in-one suite to manage your affiliate marketing business. We can click over here. You can see it's selling for $27. You're going to get 50% commissions for that. So that's good. And we're going to go click on the JV page here. And you can see that there is an affiliate contest right here. First place wins $500 and third place $125, which is really cool. And all you do is just come through here and apply to be an affiliate. I'm already approved to be an affiliate, so I have my affiliate link right here. And I'm going to show you that what you're going to do is you're going to grab this link and you're going to go over here and sign up. Go and check out the product. I recommend trying to get your hands on the product. You can reach out to the vendor, so you can contact the vendor by pushing this button here. It's going to give you an email address or their Facebook contact page, and reach out and introduce yourself and just see if you can get review access. Now, if you're brand new, you may have a hard time getting review access to a lot of these products. That's okay. You have two other options. One, you can kind of grab a demo video from somebody else that's already done it and just kind of talk over the video, get rid of the voice and just talk over the video. That will work. Or you can just go to the sales page. So we're going to click the sales page here. You can actually just do a review video walking them through the sales page and kind of maybe don't be too hypey about it. Just be honest of what your thoughts are about the sales page. And this method will work to bring you some sales. You won't get as many sales unless you actually have the product in hand. So do what you can to get the product. And I even will buy the product. I'll wait to do my review video sometimes. If I don't get review access to the product, then I'll wait till it comes out. I'll go ahead and go and sign up and buy the product if I think it's going to be a good product. If I think I can at least break even and make my money back, then I will buy the product and do a proper review. And that you will get a lot more respect and a lot more trust from the viewership, from people watching your video, and so forth, right? So then what you're going to do, how are you going to make this video, right? So you have the product in hand, you're going to make the video. We're actually going to come over here to a site called Screencast-O-Matic. Now, Screencast-O-Matic is super cheap and it's extremely high-tech, high-advanced screen recording software. That's actually what I'm using right now to record all my videos on my multiple YouTube channels. It's got every kind of editing feature you can think of. You can just record and edit all in the one software. I've used Camtasia several times, and it's clunky, it's hard to find things, and it's just not my choice. Screencast-O-Matic is lightweight, it's very fast, and you will be a lot more productive using it. So I recommend Screencast-O-Matic. And this is only, if we come over here to pricing, it's only about $15 a year. If you're serious about your business, you should be able to afford $15 for the year. You're going to enjoy this editor way more than if you just use like OpenShot. You can use some other ones. The other one is, what's it called? OBS Screen Recorder. And I'll tell you right now, this is free. Go ahead, and if you have experience, great for. But I've downloaded it, and I couldn't even get to the point where I could record a video because it was so technical. It's even more technical and hard to use than even Camtasia. So I really don't recommend doing this because it's just going to hold you up. But if you are techie and you don't mind the learning curve, then go ahead and you can use OBS, and it is free. So once you have your software of choice that you're going to record your screen like I'm doing right now in this video, then what you can do, if you want to save money, then you can come through here. And I just went to my Google Docs, right? And I just typed in bonus, and you can see all this stuff right here. I'm going to use this one as an example. Drop and Pop was released about a week ago. And I have another paid premium software that for whatever reason was the site was down. So what did I do? I just reverted back to my, when I was a newbie doing this, I used Google Docs, and there's still a lot of professional marketers out there that, they don't like to build their own web site page because it just takes a lot of time. And at the end of the day, you're going to be delivering your products like this anyways. You're going to be delivering your bonus pages by Google Drive or Google Docs anyways. So this makes it easy where you can actually build a review page like this, right? So find great products to promote. This was one of the bonuses. I made a custom video, right? Drop and Pop. And this is one of the bonuses they're going to get. Then here's another one of the bonuses and another one. So you can actually walk them through your bonuses right here with a nice picture. And then you can send them the link, right? And then when they go to the link, they can actually just click on it and it will open it up. So it's a very efficient, very fast way of doing it. Now, if I go over to, let's go to an incognito, and I'm going to go to YouTube. I'm going to show you a couple of different rankings, right? Remember we were talking about the KBuvo? Review. So KBuvo Review, this is coming out tomorrow. This was launched on another platform about a month ago. They're releasing it on Warrior Plus, and it's supposed to be a big launch. I'm already positioned well for it. If I push enter, you're going to see that I am at the top. I'm outranking everybody that's tried to do this. And you can see that there are dozens and dozens and dozens of KBuvo, just dozens and dozens of KBuvo reviews all over the place. Just keeps going and going. And I am at the top. This is one of my other channels. This is Money Bear on this channel that you're watching right now. But I do some different affiliate marketing reviews and stuff if you want to check that out. But here is me right here. KBuvo review. Boom. I'm at the top. And then if we did another one right here, Tube Serp review. And I'm ranked number 2, and I made about $500 or $600 from this launch right here alone from just putting together one video. Ranked number 2, that was a pretty big launch. And then we have another one, which is Drop and Pop. So if I come back up here, Drop and Pop review. And I was at the top for this one as well and got 200 reviews as well. So you want to make sure you have the product in hand, but I outranked some of the biggest marketers on the platform. Jonah Armstrong, one of the biggest marketers on all of Warrior Plus and JVZoo, and I even outranked him. I do have some special SEO tricks to do that. So now you can use this, right? Or you can use another site, which is called Commission Gorilla. If you come over to Commission Gorilla, I can leave a link below as well. Then this will allow you to create bonus pages like, if I come back over to KBuvo Review, come through here and click on the link, and you will see it will allow you to build really beautiful looking landing pages, bonus pages just like this. Nice picture there, and anytime they click on the link, look, it just full blown out review page. You can put in your video in there as well. And if anyone clicks on the link, it's going to take them right over, boom, to the Warrior Plus, and it's going to forward them to the offer. They make a purchase. They get automatic access to all your bonuses featured on the page. Okay. And that's how you do affiliate marketing. That's how you can make money. So I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you'd like more training videos like this on real ways to make money online, then hit that subscribe button. This is my brand new channel where I'm just talking about affiliate marketing and how to make money online. This is Money Bear, and I'll see you in the next video.